Guys, Jamal Bajaj placement report is out for this year for the 2020 batch, which is the main batch 2020 batch for this year. So let's check out the report for Jamal Bajaj. That's the iconic building of Bajaj, the red brick building. In fact, now I'm Ahmedabad, MDI, even FMS and Bajaj, all of them have a same style of building. Okay. So final report for 2020 batch. So Jamal Bajaj is called the CEO factory of India because the maximum number of Bajaj alumni are the CEOs for 55A because of the legacy of 55. There used to be a time when India's top three ABC used to be I am Ahmedabad, I am Bangalore, I am Ahmedabad, I am Calcutta and Jamal Bajaj. I am Bangalore came on board afterwards. Yeah, so that's a legacy of Jamal Bajaj. So that's the auditorium. This is the main auditorium. And I got a chance to be alone in the auditorium last year, and I took a selfie in the college, so in this auditorium last year. Anyway, coming to the main point for the day is your batch profile. First thing, batch profile: 79% boys, 21% girls. Average in India today in B school is between 25 to 30%. Yeah, engineers 82%, which is a good thing here that the non-engineers are more. Otherwise, normally all the IIMs everywhere 90% are engineers. 9% are management, 4% are commerce, 82% engineers, commerce 9%, management 4% and others 5%. Yeah, consulting 16%, banking 26%, some internship, pharma 20%, IT 17%, group companies 8%. 26%, this is among the highest for any B school. Yeah. And consulting 16%. Looking at the work experience, 52% of the batch have a work ex of less than 12 months, 29% 12 to 24 months, 15% 25 to 36 months, and 4% of the batch have more than 36 months of work ex. Why this bias is there? Because JBIMS is pure CET based exam, no GDPI required, nothing required, direct admission, and anybody in India can apply for JB. Yeah. Okay, look at the main placement report. Out of 125 batch, look at this thing here. 60 people have got a PPO. Out of 125 batch, half of the batch already have got the job before the first company come to campus. Yeah, this shows the level of college. Normal, all the top band A colleges, it's around 33%. 1/3 of the batch get placed, but at Bajaj, this number is 50%. Median salary is 22 lakhs. Mean salary is 22.84 lakhs. Yeah, top 30% 29 lakhs. This is the thing, yeah. If you are the top 30% of the batch, you are getting a package of 29 lakhs. Top 10% 33 lakh a package, and the highest CTC is 34. Highest Indian salary is 34 lakh. Alright, so let's check out the remaining part. So sector-wise placement, banking 38%. 38% of the batch have got through banking, which is almost at par with all the main IIMs, because for finance, Bajaj is number one. I'm not saying for others is bekar. For finance is number one. 21% of the batch is consulting. 19% is technology and e-commerce. 21% consulting. That's a huge number here. Because I judge a college from the number of people getting placed in consulting. I'm ABC is now 30% plus in consulting. FMCG Pharma 9% and FMCG and group companies 7%, others 6%. That's the batch profile placement where they've got the placement. So consulting, banking, you can check out this detail on cetking.com/JBIMS about the cutoff and everything. cetking.com/JBIMS. Yeah, and I also updated the cutoff there. Your target for Bajaj is 140 marks. This is your simple thumb rule. Yeah, if you want Jamal Bajaj, your target score is simple 140 marks. Then obviously it's going to change for SC category wise. So cetking.com/JBIMS, you can check out the cutoff for Bajaj. Yeah, exam is going to be CET exam. Those are applying now. March 14th is going to be the expected date for the exam. Alright, all the best. So with at CET King with 5 students with 99.99 and 1 last year student. So 5 students in 99.99 percentile are from CET King this year who are going to join Bajaj. If I add the last year wala as well, so 6 students are there in our database who have joined one program or the other program who are in Bajaj. Yeah. So in case you want to join our program for the CET or CAT or CET++, you can join our program. In the description box, I given the link where how you can join our program. All right, all the best.